Good morning, everyone. I'm Cat. How's everyone doing these days? Glad you're here. Oops, that was chocolate. Alright, let's get back to work, shall we? I'm restocking more packaging stickers for the memo pads. Since last time, Cricut didn't really like the glossy paper, and this time I choose to use the matte paper. Actually, I like the results as well. I got 2 folders for organizing all my stickers. So this one is for my packaging stickers, another one for my sticker sheets and art prints as well. Also, I got a pretty cool tool to have. I'll show you in a bit. As you can see, all the packaging stickers are here. Here is my logo stickers, artist stickers, which is me, do not bend stickers, arrived stickers, freebie stickers, memo pad stickers, and the calendar set stickers. Nope, that's not sticker, that's the backing card. I'm going to show you a quick trick on Procreate. So here we go. First, duplicate the sticker layer. Overlock the duplicated layer. Choose white color to fill it. Unlock the layer, which is very important. Then duplicate this layer. Go to the magic tool icon. Choose Gaussian blur. Adjust to 5.5. Maybe for you a little different, so you can play with it to figure out what's the best number for you. Then merge down the layer. Choose the selection tool. make sure it's auto select. Then simply touch on each illustration. Once finished, if you see each illustration with blue border, then you are doing correct. Once it's finished, select the brush tool. The bigger the brush, the better. Then brush the entire canvas. Make sure everything is nice and filled up evenly. That's it. The perfect white border is here. I'm just quickly finish another 2 sticker sheets. I used to draw this by hand. After I found out this trick, saved me a lot of time. So if you didn't know about it, here you go. Okay, let me see. Sometimes I'm not sure why Cricut drives me crazy with the uneven cuts. You can see here the illustration not in the center. I wasted a lot of prints because this issue. Right now I'm still figuring out, but I think I found the trick is that don't push the mat too hard to the machine. Here's the first 2 pages. I pushed a bit too hard. Then after that, I decided to go light. Then the results turned out great. Yeah, so that worked. If you know another tricks, please Do share with me. Thank you so much. Alright, before getting dark, I'm going to quick get some snacks. Let's go. The smell is so nice here all the time. My favorite teacup here, and having some Japanese green tea. Okay, I'll show you the little cool tool I got. Here we go. Doesn't want to focus. Here we go. Alright. I got this little machine last week from Amazon. It's very cool tool to have. So I got this because I wanted to organize my folders like this. Just put those stickers. You can type on stickers. So this one is sticker tape, and this one is separated. I ordered separated, and if you order this machine, it will come with a sample size. So this one is package stickers, and this one is sticker sheet folders, so everything stay organized. And also I use this little machine to type my customer's address. So I ship pretty much everything, use regular mail. I don't really prefer to handwrite the address. Maybe for some people it's hard to read or something. So I prefer using this guy to type the customer's name and address and stick onto it. It looks very neat. So I'll show you how to use this machine. It's very easy. So how to change this machine's tape is just here is a little sign, and you just careful push down a little bit, and so it just open like this. That's inside. It requires 6 batteries. Also, you can get AC adapter from Amazon as well. That's also separated. And if you prefer use chargeable batteries, that's also an option. So 6 AAA batteries, and this one is the sample tape. Very easy to set up. Just put back. Here you go. So I'm going to show you how to use this machine. Alright. So turn the machine on and choose the font and the size. This machine includes 3 different fonts and 3 different sizes as well. So for this one, I picked the first font and the medium size. Then push OK button, then simply type in the letters. So I'm going to make another folder for my greeting cards. So here you go. And once finishing typing, push the top right corner twice. Then start to print. Ta-da! So here you go, the sticker is here, very convenient. So you can use this little machine for organizing your kitchen stuff as well. So I'll put the link in the description box, you can check it out.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Bear. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, here I'm just organize all the stickers. I got this 5" by 7" photo folder from Amazon. It's perfect for sticker sheets. Keep all clean and easy to find. Here is another art print I did recently. I'm so happy with how it turned out. And here we go, the third vlog. Hope you guys got something from it. If you like it, feel free to give me a like and stick around. I will upload content more regularly. Stay happy, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.